Hello everyone! Good day sa ating lahat. Welcome sa Thought Talks. So my name is Charles and we're here at SM Trece Martires City kung saan we're going to roam around or gagala tayo to ask individuals on their thoughts or ang kanilang opinion sa mga latest issue or kaganapan sa ating bansa. So what are you waiting for? Come join with me. Okay guys, so we got our first interview na nga po dito guys. Ayun sa tapat ng Tom's World Funhouse everybody dito sa SM Trece Martires guys. Okay, kuya okay lang po ba na i-film po natin to while ini-interview ka po namin?
Wala pong problema, okay lang po.
Okay, kuya what's your name po?
My name is Cedric Makilan.
Ayan, si Kuya Cedric po, taga-saan ka po Kuya Cedric?
I'm from Barangay Gregorio, Heritage Homes.
So your questions Kuya Cedric is, as a Filipino citizen, what can you say about the recent corruption allegations against Speaker Martin Romualdez and sa other DPWH officials po?
Sa Filipino citizens, ang masasabi ko lang against Martin Romualdez at sa iba pang opisyal ay magkakaroon tayo ng freedom to choose, integrity, accountability kapag bigyan sa mga illegal na mga gawain at ibig sabihin na kapasidad na gumawa ng moral na desisyon, independence at influence or personal greed at inuuna ang karaniwang mabuti kaysa sariling interest.
Okay, so I get it kuya. So it's their freedom to choose naman integrity or accountability po. Pero either kung ano man po yung piliin nila sa dalawa, ayan, they should face the consequences kasi it's their responsibility po, di ba? Ayan, thank you so much kuya. Ayan guys, okay, we got our next interview na nga po. Ayan si kuya. Ayan, kuya, okay lang po ba na i-film po natin to habang ini-interview ka po namin?
Yes po.
Ayan, okay lang daw po. Ayan, kuya, what's your name po?
My name is Lance po.
And so kuya Lance, do you play volleyball po ba or nanonood ka po ba ng volleyball?
Opo, actually player po ko.
So saktong-sakto guys. Ayan, kasi yung itatanong ko sa iyo kuya is, ano pong masasabi mo sa recent na pagkatalo or loss of Alas Pilipinas on World Championship Men's Volleyball na naganap sa Iran on set 5?
For me, the reason why kung bakit sila natalo kasi nagtouching si Kim Malabunga and also they recognize the team represent the Philippine volleyball events.
Ayan, so guys, okay kuya, so both teams is freely na naglalaro or malayang naglalaro, no bias. Pero we can't deny naman na nagkakamali rin tayo minsan. As for that, nagkakamali rin si Kim Malabunga. Ay, okay, so the consequence of that guys, yung nagkamali nga po si Kim, ayan, natalo yung buong team ng last minute. Ayan, thank you so much kuya for participating po. Showbiz Chicas! So for today's Showbiz Chika guys, ayan, Ivana Alawi, Kong TV and other Pinoy content creators show their support for the trillion peso march na naganap lang noong September 21, 2025 sa Luneta Park. Okay everyone, it's really good to know that our influencer here in our country uses their platform right. Hindi lang sila pang entertainment, pati sa Asian panlipunan ay game na game din sila. Okay, it's very heartwarming that they really show or uses their platform to show the youth and online community na may bigat at halaga sa paglaban sa malinis at transparent na gobyerno. Na nagre-resulta ng bawat isa sa atin ay nagiging mulat or nagiging aware tayo sa katiwalaan nga ng ating gobyerno. Ayan, showbiz na may puso pa para sa bayan. Thank you so much guys for watching today's episode. We really enjoyed sharing our thoughts with you guys.
We hope you pick up some valuable insights and inspiration from our conversation. Your support really means a lot.
Don't forget to like and share and comment and follow para lagi kayo nakasubaybay sa aming channel. Yun lang.
Bye everyone!